square where I waxed it. Do y'all wanna, y'all wanna see this? I know y'all do. Before we get started with this video, make sure that you are a cousin. So check right below me and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel with your notifications turned on, because as you guys can see, we are trying all new kind of things on this channel, honey. This may sound crazy, but I have never, until I moved to California, been in a 99-cent store. Either I just never lived around one, or they actually don't have them in the South or in Alabama or like in any of the other cities that I was in. But literally where I'm from, it is the Dollar Tree, and so the Dollar Tree was always my jam. I actually have a video on a Dollar Tree haul on my channel, so I'll link that in the description box, because I'm all about saving some money and I feel like people be sleeping on stores like the Dollar Tree. The thing about the 99-cent store is that, okay, first of all, everything in there is not 99 cents. So I was in the store last week and I just was kind of like browsing around looking for just to see basically what they had, and I came across these. So if you can't see these, I will put an image of them on the screen. But what these are luxury essentials wax strips. Here I have the one that says it's for body, legs, and arms, and then I also have the one that is for bikini line and underarm. As you can see or not see on the box, it says $1.99 and you get 10 strips plus 2 wipes. The first time that I got this, I got the one that was for body, legs, and arms, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna test this out. If it don't work, no harm, no foul. $1.99, okay? So I tested it out and I waxed my legs, and that was officially 7 days from today. So I made sure that I waited a week just to test it, kind of test the theory out, and my legs, literally when I waxed them, they came out really smooth, just like a wax from like the waxing place. If I got like the smoothness and the effect of a wax for $1.99, then it will all be worth it. So it was already worth it for me when it actually worked. But here we are a week later and my legs are still like wax smooth. So to me, that is, you know, it's a plus. And no, I'm not gonna be waxing my bikini lounges, okay? I don't know. I just feel like I still need a professional for that. I'm not quite ready to do that at home, okay? So I typically shave my underarms, and with shaving, a lot of times I used to shave every single day. Now, because I just know how irritating a razor can be to your skin, I try to shave every other day, but it definitely grows back really fast. And obviously I'm getting, you know, like that dark area underneath my arms from a combination of shaving and the deodorant that you use and all that friction and stuff. So I have been trying to lighten my armpits. I have a few other things that I do like in my like quote-unquote armpit routine. So if you guys want to see like that full video dedicated to that, just let me know in the comments. It's always recommended that you wax on clean skin, and I haven't gotten the shower yet for today, so we're just gonna do a little, you know, I ain't gonna call it what you call it in the South, but comment in the comment section if you know what this kind of bath is that you take in the sink. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to quite get in the shower just yet. I was gonna cut it in half, but I mean, they're just $1.99. So you are supposed to warm up the wax in your hands for about 30 seconds. It works best warm. Just gonna do one pit at a time and then make sure that it's in. Okay, this is when it gets real. But see, also I feel like this would help with my dark armpits, because, you know, it's exfoliating. I try to exfoliate. So sensitive. I'm being dramatic. I feel like everybody do this. They be dramatic. Like, girl, just do it. And one thing, okay, I'm stalling. So pull it in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna pull it up I'm stalling, okay? And it can't be that bad. And I'm gonna straighten my arm so that my skin stays taut. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2. And then your arms stick together. And then I didn't even get it all. Do y'all wanna, y'all wanna see this? I know y'all do. It got a lot of it, okay? It pulled some hair, okay? You can see the square. You can see the square where I waxed it. Like, it pulled a hole. This is how you know it's real, y'all. It pulled like dead skin. Like, all that darkness right there, that is dead skin, honey. I'm just gonna use the other side. You can reuse them, but I'm just gonna go fresh. That hurt more than I thought it would. I thought I was just being a little dramatic, but that really did. Okay. Okay, 1. That got, like, that is pulling hair out by the bulbs, y'all. Like, the whole bulb. It's getting the hair from the root, okay? Let me just see. It's pulling hair, but dang, how much underarm hair I got? I am bleeding. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Y'all, like, I had to pull it down. Can y'all see that? I am bleeding. Where is it? I'm scared now. See, this working. See, I ain't no professional. And child, you need to go you go to a professional so they can get it in 1 to 2 gets. Like, I can't keep getting it on the same arm. I got too much arm hair. Oh, child. See, so now I'm going in with this right here. There's some smooth or something to take the wax off, cause see, every time you close your arm, otherwise my arm is burning. My legs didn't do me like this. Baby, it's bleeding. Look at it. You see it?
Barely.
I'm bleeding. See, he's playing, but that burn. It's gonna be a no for me, dog. It pulled the hairs up, but hell, I don't suggest it. I'm not finna do my other pit. I'm just, nope. Now, if you somebody who know what you're doing, this will probably be a good option for you, because like I said, like it was pulling, honey. It works, okay? It works, but I'm just not ready. How about that? I should have took some Motrin, some baby aspirin. I don't know, I should have took some. I ain't think I was gonna hurt like when I get my bikini wax, child. Like, sheesh. Drop your favorite laser hair removal surgeon, doctor, person, cause this comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried this brand before, the process, give me some tips on doing it at home by yourself. Leave it all in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe before you go if you ain't my cousin. I'll see you in the next one.